What are you doing? Okay. Does it work, Trent?
This is still mine.
It's still yours? So does it work, Trent?
Yes.
How do you know? How do you know if it works or not? Uh-oh, it doesn't work. Oh, it works now. Whoa, that's bright, isn't it? Whoa.
Need to go.
What?
Need to go.
It needs to go? Whoa. What's that?
Look, it's in that mode.
It's in that mode? What mode's that? Whoa.
Whoa!
Whoa. Whoa, what are you doing there?
This is mine.
That's your Trent.
What?
Trent. What does it do though? It just makes pretty things on the display?
It does cool things.
It does cool things. But what is it doing? Do you know?
Tell me.
Tell you?
Yes.
I don't know. I think it just makes cool things.
And
it just has buttons and knobs and...
No! It does. The buttons do stuff.
Oh, wow. Look. Ooh. Look at that. Look at that. Look what that button does. Look at that. Oh. Whoa. Is that awesome, Trent?
Look, not super small mode.
It's in small mode.
Yeah.
Now it's in large raining mode. Is it in thunder mode now? Whoa, it's in big mode, small mode, thunder mode, thunder action mode, exercise mode, fast mode. Whoa, what's that mode? Little mode, big mode.
Storm.